application whitelisting. Okay, so this list will be approach is like if you have permitted specific application, only that it will be executed. So whatever is not listed, it will be denied by default. Okay, so I started this phrase because I started recording now. Okay, that's why I had to pass, and then I started that rephrasing the sentence here. So this way you can stop all the nonsense applications. So you don't want to install any new application. So some users will be excited, like they got a new software, okay, a very highly paid software, you got it, okay, so they installed it. So once it is not in the whitelisting app, it will be get blocked automatically. Okay, so how you are going to identify the methods here? So on what basis you are going to identify? Okay, so you will be identify with your cryptographic hash here or your publisher. So this you have seen it. This you have seen it with the file path also, with the integrity. Okay, so if there is a SVC host running in somewhere else, so it should be running in that particular directory. Okay, this I have explained you in the earlier class. I don't want to open again process mon and do that. Okay, so then, so why what gets blocked is any unknown or unsigned or unlisted executable, so which is not signed, so there is no certificate in that, or a unknown publisher. Okay, so all that it will be blocked here. So even if I am giving you the document which are having the links here, that will also be warned before you open it up. Okay, that's how it will work. Okay, so now how it will work for a 0 day? Okay, let's say a hacker released a virus here, so which is not at all having any patch here, that is called 0 day malware. So it will be blacklisted automatically because it is not whitelisted. There is no whitelist entry for that. That is why it is automatically blocked. Only if we whitelist, then only it will be installed. This is how the corporate companies will secure their laptops. So this will be in EDR part. AV and EDR part you have, right? Data encryption, all that standard. So we will be using this standard here. Okay, so then you have here application whitelisting here. Okay, so you will be doing here implementation tools here. So you will be using this Windows Defender application control here. Okay, so let me search it for that. So you also look it. Okay, Windows Defender application control. So in this one, okay, you will be listing, you will be doing it with application control here. Okay, application control. not getting this. Okay, so you search it on your desktop. Windows Defender.
It's not this.
Okay. So how you are getting that option? So what you are getting? See, I have virus and threat protection. So I have virus and threat protection updates. So at 2:26, my definitions got updated. Today at 2:26, it checked, okay, whether I am getting a latest DAT files or not, okay, definition files. So then there is a ransomware protection here, okay. So then I am having a quick scan here. So this it is telling me like what is the scan option here, and July 18th I have scanned it, okay. So it is asking me you scan it again. So that is why there is a warning sign, okay. So now you show me your screens. Okay. Let me type the password here. So whether I know this one or not. Okay, it took. Okay. So here you will have app armor. Okay. So this is your in Linux you will be controlling with this, okay, or else you will have SC Linux, okay. Or else you go into this software. So you will be searching here SC Linux. So once you install it, then you will be doing it, or you will be enforcing that op app armor. Spelling, is it correct? Or this is not there here. Okay. So these are the two tools in Linux, okay. So where you will be enforcing it on every application, or just like how we are doing it. In Linux platform, how you are doing. So you will be doing this here, whitelisting process here, okay. So let's say you have thousands of computers, or let's say you have at least 1 lakh computers or laptops, okay. So what you do, you will be doing it through Intune or GPO or SCCM. Okay, these are all your Windows uh, tools here. This is policy, group policy. Okay, this is also your application Intune, and then this is your maintaining of the servers here. Okay, configuration manager. So for Linux, you will be using this app armor or SC Linux to restrict this. Okay. So in our practicals, we will see how to install or how to defend that. So then you have application blacklisting. So now whitelisting we have done. Now we are coming back to the blacklisting concept here. Okay. Blacklisting is a traditional approach, just like how we have given you an example. So, so once you blacklist it, it will specifically identify the malicious content. Whenever you download it, it will pop up and it will say, okay, so this is blacklisted. Let's say you have blacklisted Nanosoft. Let's say you have got a assumption that Nanosoft is not a legit company. So whatever that company produces it, Nanosoft, so you will make it as a blacklisting here. So whenever you try to install it, it will say, so this is blacklisted, I cannot run. So this will just check that signature and it will tell, okay, it will block. So that is how blacklisting will work. Okay. So all these sources are come from the vendor here. Just like how I have shown you this at 226, my DAT versions got updated. You will be getting that as well. Okay. So all that latest from 226 PM, I have got all the malware signatures updated. So whenever there is a threat now, okay, if someone gives me USB pen drive or pen stick, if I put and download it, it will immediately detect that, okay, this is having the virus here. Okay. So these are the common uses. Okay. So where you will be having policy violation or like uTorrent. Okay. So for privacy purpose, or you are using any VNC clients and then you are downloading it. Okay. You have restricted all your malware. Okay. Have you anyone used uTorrent or VNC clients? uTorrent? No. Okay. How about you?
No, sir.
Yeah, Pawan?
It is
Okay.
Utora.
So, so you will be
Yeah,
doing a
used
blacklisting here, okay, because of the concern privacy thing, okay. So once you do a uTorrent, if you install it, then you will you can share your all files to unknown users. So for privacy reasons, uh, we will be doing the blacklisting of that particular applications. Okay. So then we have comparison now. Okay. So what will be the whitelisting stance here? Okay. Blacklisting in whitelisting. Okay. Default will be deny here. Default deny. Block all. Allow approved. Okay, blacklisting default allow all, block known bad. Okay, I am going to allow everything. Okay, but I will block only if it is bad. Okay, so here blocks all unknown software. It will block only the identified or cataloged threats here. So it will be effective for 0-day defense. Okay, here it is ineffective. Okay, so I don't want to run through all this, and now I will ask the question here: what is the best for maximum security? So which one will give maximum security? Is it whitelisting or blacklisting? Which one will give maximum security? That's a question for you.